My name is Katia Lozar-Manfreda, and I'm coming from the University of Ljubljana. I'm going to teach a course on web surveys and forms, which is one of the core courses of the Web Data Metrics Master. We all know what a web survey is. It is a method of gathering information on a usually sample of units which come from a larger target population. The aim is to quantify the attributes of this target population, and the most important characteristic of a survey is that we gather data using standardized questionnaires with questions to which people respond. What makes a web survey different from other survey modes is that this survey questionnaire is put on a server and respondents access it using a web browser. So they need access to the internet, and they can use any device, traditionally desktop and laptop, but lately tablets, smartphones, and other mobile devices. This course is about the methodology of web surveys. So how can, about the practical implementations of web surveys and forms in different fields and for different purposes. We are also going to speak about basic evaluation of data quality in web surveys, and we are also going to teach to use at least one software tool to implement web surveys. So after the introduction in this course, that's in which we are going to speak about the typology of web surveys, their usage in practice, advantages, disadvantages. After that, we will get to know a variety of decisions that we need to take into account when designing a web survey. And we will learn all this practical knowledge by focusing on the steps of the web survey process. And basically, the web survey process consists of three main parts: pre-fielding, fielding, and post-fielding. And as can be seen from the figure, in the case of web surveys, these involve several more or less sequential steps to which we will focus during the course. Today, web surveys are used for research on a variety of topics in business, official, governmental, and academic and nonprofit institutions. And actually, web surveys are today an important factor that contribute to the so-called democratization of research due to lower costs, availability of simple software tools, open nature of the internet. Today, anyone with internet connection, some basic computer skills can build and implement a web survey, even if he or she does not have the skills, the funds, or even participants. That means that this allows even common people, not just institutions, to raise important survey questions to fellow citizens to gather opinions. This is so-called do-it-yourself research, which on one hand, increase the democratization of research, but on the other hand, also raises many controversies. Namely, these surveyors usually don't have enough methodological knowledge, and thus the quality of these web surveys can be very low. So low quality, together with a huge number of these web surveys, leads to over-surveying, and also it's very damaging for the professional survey industry. So for these reasons, the courses like this that we offer at the Web Data Metrics are really important, as they increase the knowledge of web survey methodology and at the same time enhance further democratization of research, while keeping the positive reputation of the professional survey industry.